guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to do a Shein haul. I have a massive box right over here. It's a huge box and I literally have a lot of things to show you. So without wasting any time, let's just quickly see what all we have. The first thing right here is a bag. So it is a nice big, it is this kind of what is this color? It's a coffee or a chocolate color bag and it is quite a big bag. It is kind of very functional. It has these kind of handles over here. It has a zip in the front, it has a zip in the back, and then it has two zips in the front as well. So it is quite a spacious bag, I would say. It is a very spacious bag and it is a very lightweight bag. So this bag also comes with a strap, so if you want to carry it like a sling bag, you can very well do that. I liked it for the functionality. The quality of this product is mediocre, I would say, because I have had really good quality bags from Shein and this one feels a little bit mediocre to my liking. Yeah, that's what I feel, but other than that, I really like this bag and I would definitely use it. I think I definitely like it and I will use it as a sling because I don't like carrying my bag this way. It hurts my arms. So yeah, that was the first thing in the haul. The second thing that I have to show you guys is this. Everything comes in a Ziploc bag like this from Shein, and I think we have a legging. Yes, I ordered some workout pants, I guess, so I got this. It has this kind of a faux leather fabric right here. So yes, this is what it looks like, and some faux leather fabric here in the calf area as well. So this is what the pants look like. I really like that it has a wider belt. This has a wider belt, so it's going to just suck in all the flap that you have, and yeah, it's quite stretchable. I got mine in the size large and there are a lot of sizes available in this one, but you should always consult the size chart which is given on their website to kind of get the perfect fit for you. So if you're planning to work out sometime soon, I think you should definitely give Shein a try, and there are a lot of affordable variety of workout clothes as well. So this is my pick and I really like it. And then I have got something businessy sort. So this is really not my style, but I still got it. It is a set. This is a cord and there's a trouser and a top, but it is quite businessy and formal. It comes with a trouser like this. What I like about it is the fabric. The fabric feels really nice and good quality. It has these vertical stripes, so definitely is going to look good on me because I'm kind of short. I'm 5'2", by the way, guys, so if you want any reference for the clothing length and all, I'm 5 feet 2 inches. So yeah, just for reference. And this trouser is like a culotte, I feel like, but I think it's going to be a full length on me. So it always happens with me. Culottes always fit like full length pants on me, and yeah, I really like it. It's quite loose and the fabric is very, very lightweight, but it is not sheer and it is really nice. And then it comes along with a top like this, which again, of course, you can wear it just on its own. It has this kind of lace thing all over the sleeves and in the front part over here, and then it goes in the same fabric and has this kind of a peplum thing at the bottom. I like anything peplum, especially on businessy attires, because it's very, very flattering on the figure, and I feel like if you have a little bit of a flab issue around the tummy area, it takes care of that. So I love these kind of peplum tops, and this is what actually this looks like. I liked this one and I think the price was quite justifiable for 2-piece, and that too for formal wear. So generally formal wear is a little expensive. Moving on to the next thing. So if you've seen my Shein haul, the previous one, I've done a lot of Shein hauls, guys. Let me do one thing. I'll compile everything and I will give a playlist over here. If in case you're interested, you can definitely click over here, the I button, and you can watch that. I'll also try and leave a link of it in the description box. You can go and watch that as well. So I showed you 2 pleated skirts, maxi skirts. Maxi skirts are my game. I love maxi things, maxi dresses. I will be I will be doing a video on maxi dresses very, very soon. So yeah, make sure that you're subscribed. So now I have this skirt in a grey color, a black color, and this beautiful pink color. It's a very light pink color and the fabric has a sheen into it, so of course there will be slight bit of reflection. It is a very beautiful skirt. If you've not seen my previous video, you should definitely watch it. I'm so much in love with these kind of skirts. It is a maxi skirt, so I'm 5 feet 2 and it fits like a very, very long skirt on me. So it's beautiful. I cannot help talk about it, and such a beautiful material. It is not at all sheer, so you're all covered. It doesn't have a lining, so of course the fabric being a little bit heavy is always on the plus end. It is not super duper heavy that you're going to sweat in it. It is a perfect material, very beautiful, very high quality material, just that I feel it's a bit expensive. massive, but I love this skirt. Then lovely friends, moving on to this dress. Now when I saw this dress on the website, I was like, it's very beautiful, but when I received it in person, I quite like it, but I don't like this bit over here. I don't like this bit over here. It's like these kind of flowers, and the sleeves look like this. I mainly love the sleeves of this dress. I really like this dress, but the length on the model was like super high. Overall, I really like this dress. So I feel when I was selecting the dresses, I was in a very pink mood. So the next dress is also pink. I've been meaning to get this dress from a really long time, and now that I've got it, I'm not very excited about this one, mainly because they did not have this in a plus size, which I think is, even though Shein has a plus size section, but in some dresses which I really like, they go pretty size down, which I don't really appreciate about it. I got it in the size large, but this one still is a bit tight on me, and the fabric is not at all stretchable. So the second is the length part. Again, the model was wearing it beautifully and it hit her at the perfect length. So I thought again it is going to be 1 or 2 inches above my knee, but this one is kind of pretty long. It comes around like 2-3 inches below my knee, which I'm not really a fan of, and to get this one altered is a task. I'm not sure if I can get this one altered, but yeah, I'll see and find a way to work with this one. Other than that, of course, if you're petite, this dress is really beautiful. It has this kind of a crocheted this thing sleeves. It's beautiful. The work is phenomenal, guys. It has this kind of a scalloping right here, which looks really pretty, and then the front part looks like this, and then it also has this kind of a scalloped collar or neckline over here. It's a very modest dress, and then it is crocheted all the way, and the bottom part looks like this. So it's a very beautiful dress. Of course, it has a lining underneath. Of course, you're well taken care of. The lining is a synthetic material. It is quite a thick and a sturdy material, I would say, and yeah, it's a beautiful dress otherwise. So if you're petite and if you are like thinner than I am, you can definitely go for this dress. I'm in the size large, by the way, and even I think the size large will be a little bit tight on me. So yeah, you should always consult the size chart on Shein before buying. So there is seriously something with me with the white color. I am really liking the color white at the moment. It's a beautiful top, and the fabric, oh my god, look at this. It's all embroidered here in the front. What is this called as the yoke part? It is all embroidered, and then the sleeves are like this with the embroidery right here. So the embroidery is very intricate, guys. It is a very detailed embroidery, and it is not actually sticked on. It is actually a sewn or embroidered thing, and then it has these kind of things on the neck part. If I can show you, yes. So this is what the neck part actually looks like, and it has a bit of flounce here at the bottom, and the bottom is also bordered with embroidery. So yeah, overall it's a very beautiful top. The fabric of this beautiful flouncy top is cotton. It has a good weight to it, good fall to it, which I like. But yes, I like it. It's just a bit sheer is the only concern, because I hate wearing cami tops underneath my dresses. It makes everything so hot. Then I got this set, guys. It is a top and a skirt. Mainly I got this for the skirt because the top is something I don't think I'll be wearing. So the top looks somewhat like this. Is like this. And this hanging part will be tied here. Let me just tie it and show you. I'm far from wearing anything like this, so I don't think this is going to be of any use to me. But yes, this is what the top looks like. You just have to tie a knot over here, but there is also this cutout thing right here in the center, so it will show some skin there. It's a really nice top. And then at the back, so here at the back it has a zipper, so it is almost like a bralette top, I would say. The straps are adjustable. It's a very beautiful thing if you can rock it, and the set together will look really perfect. So I got this skirt. Mainly I got this set for the skirt because you guys know I'm loving skirts a lot. I love this black and white stripes, the vertical stripes, and this is what the skirt basically looks like in the front. It has this pocket right here. It has two pockets on either sides, and then it is all buttoned up. So it comes around my calf area. It doesn't go all the way to the ankle, but yes, the length is perfect. I love this dress. I really love this skirt. I love the fit, and I love the fabric. It is not a stretchable fabric at all. It is pure cotton. It's a very nice fabric. It has a lining underneath as well, so all is good. And I got myself in the size large, and it fits me. My waist size is 30, and I got it in the size large. It's a beautiful skirt, guys. It's such a beautiful skirt, and for summers I feel like nothing can be better than this one. So I got this skirt. It is such a long skirt, and the worst part, I cannot even get it altered. Let me show you. So this is what the skirt looks like. Again, it has this embroidery, floral embroidery on the waistband. It has this zipper thing here on the side, and then it has this embroidery everywhere, this patches of embroidery. It is not a patchwork, it is actual embroidery, but I'm calling it patches because it is not embroidered everywhere. And then the skirt goes all the way till here, and this is the bottom part. So now you see that why I cannot get this altered, because if I get this altered, clearly I'll get rid of this beautiful embroidery, which I really don't want to. So I'll have to figure out something to wear it. If I cannot wear it as a skirt, I can of course wear it as a maxi dress with a denim jacket on top. So I will try and do that, and it's beautiful. So that's why I did not want to get rid of this particular thing. So I thought I'll wear it as a maxi dress. It's beautiful. The fabric is rayon. Again, my size in this one is, I guess, large. Again, yes, it's large, and this is a little bit loose on me, so that's why it just slips from the waist part till here and looks beautiful. It's a very beautiful dress. I am so much in love with this dress. Yes, skirt, but I'm going to be wearing this as a dress only, and if I want, I can just wear a belt over here, and it's going to look so beautiful. Because the skirt has a perfect fall, the fabric is rayon, so that's why it's going to look really flattering. So that was the skirt part. I'm done with all the clothing. So guys, now I'm done with all the clothing part. Now I'm going to show you some shoes that I got from Shein. I got 3 pairs of shoes, and I'll just quickly show you. I have shopped a lot of bags from Shein, but I really wanted to try out their shoes, because whatever shoes that I've got from Shein are just so good in quality. So I thought, let me just try out a couple of more shoes from them, because I really liked it, and some of them are really nice designer dupes. And yeah, so let's just get started. The first is a sneaker. It is a white sneaker, which of course is in trend, and it is denying to go from the trend. So this is what the white sneakers look like. I hope you can see it. It has this embroidery work. Everything is embroidered in this haul. That's quite weird. So this is so we have this embroidery thing right over here in the front. It also has embroidery over here on the side panel. So it has this embroidery here as well, just on one side, but the other side is plain, and it has embroidery over here. So this is what the shoes actually look like. It has this behind thing, the black behind thing, and it has laces. So this is the shoes. So this is what the shoes actually looks like. It's a very beautiful shoes. It is quite comfortable inside. It is very cushiony. So if I can show you clearly over here, it has a bit of cushion. It is very comfortable to wear and walk in, and yes, it's very beautiful, guys. It's a very beautiful shoes, but at the same time everything is very cushiony. It is so beautiful. Look at the inside of it. So I like any shoes that has this part, this flap right here, and this behind thing cushiony, and this the inside part is very comfortable. So I think I would be wearing these kind of shoes with the maxi dresses. So as I mentioned to you guys, I got a couple of maxi dresses. Actually those are kurtas, but they look like maxi dresses, and I thought I would just pair them up with these shoes, because it's going to look really stylish and flattering, at the same time very comfortable as well. So yes, I'm really liking it. Do let me know what do you think about this one, because I'm not really sure. This is my first pair of white sneakers. Yes, that's true. I have a black one, but I never really thought of trying a white one, and this is the embroidered one. I'm not really sure if I've gone too overboard with my white sneakers, but yes, this is an embroidered one, and it's raining, so clearly my decision is not the best. Moving on to the other pair. So it came in a box like this, a little minty color box, and this is a Valentino copy. So Valentino came up with designer, I think, what is it called as, Rockstud, I'm not sure. Yes, Valentino Rockstud heels or shoes, and when I saw them on Shein, I was quite surprised, because it has such great reviews. It has a lot of reviews on the website, and they also had pictures in the comment section. So I clearly went with the reviews, and I wanted to go with the pencil heels, but then suddenly something clicked, and I said, if you want to really wear the shoes, get yourself in a block heel. So I got myself these shoes in a block heel. I wanted to get the tan color in this one in the block heels, but nevertheless black is also beautiful. This is what the shoes actually looks like. So this is called as Rockstud shoes, because it literally has this kind of studding over here. These pyramids are over here, then your foot is secured with this strap in the middle, and then everything clasps here at the ankle. So this is what the shoes looks like. It has this pointy edge and a really nice chunky heel, which is quite sturdy, and this would be, I think, 2.5 to 3 inches of heels, and I think I can really comfortably walk in these. So this is the pair of heels that I got. and because this was on a sale, it was not very expensive at all. When you consider the piece that you're getting, they had it in a blush pink color, they had it in this color. There were a lot of beautiful colors available in this one, and yes, I might try other colors in this one. They also had flats in this one because Valentino originally came with flats as well, and they also have the pointy pencil heels as well, along with these kind of block heels. So I went for the block heels so that I can just wear it. I love this. I really love this. Look at this. But because of the central thing over here, the feet feels more secure. So that is something I really like about these shoes. And these are perfect. And my size is 38, which is Bata size 5. So yes. So guys, moving on to the last piece of this haul is again a shoes. And this is also by some designer brand. I really don't remember. And this is what the shoes actually look like, guys. So it has denim and it has some clear panel on the side. The denims are, let me show you. The denim is actually of this color. It's a nude color denim fabric over here, and then you have this clear plasticky panel right here, and the denim has some fringe. So this is the fringe part right here. The fabric is denim, and then you have this plasticky thing right here. So it's quite a good heel. Once again, I read the reviews of this one, and they also posted pictures of this one. It had a lot of reviews, good reviews, and I really liked it. So many people said the plastic makes it uncomfortable, but other than that, a lot of people also said that it is quite comfortable since the plastic kind of clings onto the feet and it makes everything super duper fine. Now I really like these shoes personally. I would say I like it. The only thing is the heel part. It is quite pointy, and this would be, I think, 3 inches of heels. That is the only thing, but other than that, these are beautiful pair of heels, and I think would go with every single thing that you wear. And I like it more because you really feel that you're not wearing anything. The color is so beautiful, and it will just go with any kind of attire that you're wearing. So yes guys, that was all that I had to show you. Do let me know what you think about all the things that I've showed you, and if there is anything that you do not like, please do let me know, because I go with your opinion like anything. So yes guys, I got everything on a sale. So Shein also has sale. I think yesterday they were actually giving free shipping on any amount of order, which was a great thing. You can definitely check out their website if you want to check out their free shipping thing. I'm not really sure if the free shipping is still going on, but they had the free shipping thing, I think, yesterday. So that was it guys. I'll leave a link to everything that I've shown in the video in the description box, so make sure that you definitely check out the description box, and also in the comment section do let me know which is your favorite thing, and if there is something you did not like in this haul, do let me know that as well. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. If you've liked this video, please do not forget to give this video a quick thumbs up. Also make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I come up with a lot of haul videos. I do a lot of random website reviews. I do a lot of things on this channel, so if you want to see more of me and more of my videos, make sure that you're subscribed. Hit that bell button. That will give you the notification. It is totally free. You don't have to pay anything to watch my videos. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, I love you very much. Bye bye guys. Mwah.